This is recap of day 3 of the first test match between England and India at Leeds, Headingley. And आज का दिन भाई, from an Indian point of view it was frustrating man, drop catches, and from an England point of view it was the Harry Brooks show. What an innings from him, 99, went for a 6 to get his 100 but couldn't, and that's how England play, that's how Harry Brooks plays. It was an incredible innings. He got his chances. देखो कल जसप्रीत बुमराह जो है नो बॉल डाल दिया था, he was out. Siraj did take the catch over there and मगर वो नो बॉल हो गया था. अब यहाँ पे even when he was in his 90s he got dropped by Jaiswal, absolute sitter. But apart from that, Harry Brooks was magnificent today. Proper attacking shots खेल रहा था वो. He put pressure on India. He was like 99 of like around 120 deliveries. So he was accelerating. He was putting pressure constantly, looking for his shots. Cover के ऊपर he was using his feet as well. Siraj के against coming down the pitch, hitting it over covers. The use of the crease was very good against the spinner as well, against the fast bowler. बहुत अच्छी batting कर रहा था वो. He was looking to play all round. It wasn't just in one particular place, and it was an incredible innings from Harry Brooks. Ollie Pope got out early. अगर आप देखें प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा विकेट लिया, फिर बेन स्टोक्स 20 रन मार के वो भी आउट हो गया था. सिराज ने विकेट लिया, एंड वी थॉट ओके चलो ठीक है, इंडियाज अदर सीमर्स आर स्टेपिंग अप. बुमराह के पास खाली पूरा डिपेंडेंसी नहीं, ये दोनों भी विकेट ले रहे हैं, तो वी वर गेटिंग सम कॉन्फिडेंस देयर. But then Harry Brooks put on partnerships with Jamie Smith, and then Wokes came in, then came in Bryden Cars, then came Josh Tongue. They all contributed to England's total, and England came so close. I think 6-7 run से trail करे India को. So that means at a time where India could have got a 100-run lead. Even today, जब Harry Brooks batting कर रहा था, it looked like India could still get them all out and get a 100-run lead. But because of the tail wagging Wokes and Cards, they put in a partnership of 50 runs, मतलब 50 रन का पार्टनरशिप. और यहाँ पे अपनी जो टेल है 6 विकेट, टेल भी नहीं, मिडिल ऑर्डर टेल पे ला के 6 विकेट 40 रन में. तो आप देख लो फर्क यहाँ पे. इंडिया batting wise भी they towards the end they finished off poorly. Bowling wise they finished off poorly. They could have a 100-run lead either way. अगर बैट से हम लोग 100 रन बना दिए तो 100 रन की लीड होती थी. अगर विकेट्स ले लिए, कैचेस ले लिए, तो 100 रन की लीड होती थी. So India will be disappointed with that. But again, this is an extremely well poised test match. अभी 2 दिन बाकी है, day 4 day 5. अगर बारिश नहीं होती and we have proper 90 overs दोनों दिन, then I think we can get a result here. For India they'll have to bat well tomorrow. KL Rahul and शुभमन गिल को पार्टनरशिप बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा एंड they'll have to look to play till lunch, और फिर वहाँ से इंडिया बिल्ड कर सकती है. अगर ये दोनों टिक के खेल गए लंच तक, then ऋषभ पंत आएगा, जडेजा भी है, करुण नायर भी है, and India can build on that and get a total past 350. Anything under 350 England will be very confident. England will be confident whatever the target is, लेकिन इंडिया के लिए आई थिंक अगर 350 पहुंच गए, it will be a good target to defend. फिर उनके बॉलर्स पे आएंगे and then fielders will need to take their catches. अब यहाँ पे भी देख लो, आप जितना भी बोल दो बॉलिंग के बारे में, अगर कैचेस ले लिए तो लीड आपकी पक्की थी 100 रन की, राइट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अ बिट अबाउट द बॉलिंग. आई थिंक प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा, Siraj, they were very expensive. Siraj, again, he lacked that consistency. Normally we see him bowling on a consistent spot accuracy के साथ, वो नज़र नहीं आ रहा था. एक दो हिट मी बॉल्स हर ओवर में डाल रहा था वो. प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा वाज आल्सो ऑल ओवर द पेस. वो ऑस्ट्रेलियन लेंस डाल रहा था. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको पिच अप करना पड़ेगा आगे. इट फेल्ट लाइक ही वाज स्टिल bowling in Australia, if you know what I mean. Jadeja, I think he was the only one apart from Bumrah who bowled with control. He was bowling accurate lines and lengths. He wasn't giving too much room to the batsman. Run making against Jadeja, shot picking against Jadeja was much more difficult, whereas Siraj and Prasidh Krishna were leaking runs. Another topic that is up for discussion is Shardul Thakur. Shardul Thakur को सिर्फ 6 ओवर मिले. अब काफ़ी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई अगर उसको लिए टीम में and you took him over NKR, that means you want him to bowl more overs, right? 5-6 ओवर तो NKR भी डाल देता. तो शार्दुल ठाकुर को सिर्फ 6 ओवर क्यों मिले, और शार्दुल ठाकुर को 40 ओवर में क्यों इंट्रोड्यूस करे, उसको पहले क्यों नहीं इंट्रोड्यूस करे, उसको 1-2 ओवर न्यू बॉल के साथ क्यों नहीं दिए. यार जब प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा को मार पड़ रही थी, बिकॉज ही वाज गोइंग 6.5 runs an over in his 20 overs, तो जब उसको मार पड़ रही थी, जब शार्दुल ठाकुर को क्यों बॉल नहीं दिया, why didn't they trust him with the ball there? So these are all valid questions, and we'll have to wait and see. In the press conference after the match, we'll see what Shardul Thakur का क्या role था, and hopefully they ask the coach or the captain, whoever comes in, कि why did you only bowl him 6 overs, because I would like to know. And then even in the second innings, let's see if he does bowl more, then we'll understand. Maybe पहले inning में उसको बचा के रख रहे थे because of maybe his pace, maybe whatever it is. But I think Shardul Thakur minimum ऐसे इनिंग्स में 10 ओवर तो डालना था ना. सो दैट वाज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट talking point that I wanted to discuss. And yeah, then like England did get all out eventually. Jasprit Bumrah 5-wicket haul. How can we ignore this guy, man? He is the best Indian fast bowler period that I've ever seen. Outstanding. कोई भी conditions रहे तो कोई भी pitches रहे तो इन्हें wicket निकालता भाई. It felt like Jasprit Bumrah is bowling on a different pitch as compared to Siraj, Prasidh Krishna, even Ben Stokes, Joshua Tongue. पूरे से बुमराह एक अलग लेवल पे है. सब उसकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं and hopefully नजर ना लगे उसको, but he is bowling so well. And it's ridiculous, like people are saying उसका रिकॉर्ड इंग्लैंड में उतना नहीं है, ये नहीं है, बड़ी शॉर्ट कट. यहाँ पे भी भाई मैं विकेटा निकालूंगा, पंचा ले लिया वो, राइट. So yeah, Jasprit Bumrah, hats off to him. He's on another level, and that's what India need to hang on to. They do have Jasprit Bumrah in this test match. They are going to bowl in the 4th innings, and if it goes to day 5 and we do see cracks, then Jasprit Bumrah can utilize that. Jadeja will also come into play, and that's why it's important for India to get a very good score. And 300 plus won't be easy on day 5. Look, I know 4th innings England have chased 300 plus, and they did chase in Birmingham against India as well, like 360, 370. Like, and I just feel that with like we saw a lot of sun in the first couple days. Now it's got overcast, but because of the sun and everything, we might have a drier surface, and shot making might be difficult in the 4th innings. So let's see what happens. KL Rahul right now batting. His shots today were sublime. KL Rahul क्या batting कर रहा था भाई. Cover drive कड़क, 2-3 cover drive जो हमारा, absolutely brilliant to see. Straight drives as well were very nice. I felt that he was very confident when he's playing shots, and he's in the rhythm, in the groove. KL Rahul is a treat to watch, an absolute treat to watch. Shubman Gill also getting off the mark for his ball with a 4, showing his intent that he's here to stay, and he wants to play attacking cricket as captain as well. So yeah, overall I think Shubman Gill captaincy wise, if I just assess it, first innings not too bad. If they took the catches, a different story. A few things he could have done differently, especially the usage of Shardul Thakur. I thought he could have used him more. Maybe bring Jasprit Bumrah back a bit earlier. I know that it's a tough call because Bumrah ka workload bhi dekhna hai in match also, not just outside of the match. So I understand that, but there are a few things, tweaks here and there. But obviously, अगर आपके catches आप नहीं लेंगे तो फिर रन तो पड़ेंगे. और इंग्लैंड ऐसी टीम है कि भाई एक प्लेयर को एक चांस दे दिया तो उन्हें 50 रन यूं ब्लिंक ऑफ आई मार के दे देता. So yeah, man, looking forward to day 4. It's evenly poised. I still feel it's a 50-50 game. It's anyone's game. Let's see what tomorrow holds. Hopefully the weather stays good in Leeds, and yeah, can't wait for that. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and send in your comments on this video as well. That will help with the algorithm too, and let us know your suggestions as well. Really appreciate everybody's support, and take care guys. Catch you guys tomorrow.